Thank you.
Those new cameras. Alright, here we are at Rivers Edge Express
Rivers
Wash.
Edge Express Wash.
Yeah. This is like the only one like this around, probably here in Mount Airy at least. The only one like this here.
So.
Oh man, they spray the windshield with that stuff before you can't even see what's going on. Oh, what the heck is on the door? Some creepy. It's interesting. You can see there's our van right there. On the screen, those cameras evidently take a picture of your vehicle. It's not showing what's going on at the moment. Oh, all of them, yeah. We got all of them, I think. This is like tri-foam, I think. The triple foam right there. I zoomed in. Open up this so you can see what's happening. Oh man, big bump. Look at those LED lights. Yeah. Oh, there's another one of those big things. Power wash. Aren't the colors in here so relaxing? That doesn't sound too good.
Feels fun.
The bottom of my seat, guys, is vibrating.
Yeah.
Like the bottom of my seat is just vibrating. The colors in here are just so relaxing. Seriously, they're so relaxing.
They are.
Seat's vibrating again. Vortex dryer time. Do a pretty good job. Pretty good. They have these tubes here. Yeah, you can see it's getting the water away. Heated dryer, jet dryer. Got that tire shine going on right now. See it there. Get that light. Changes to green. It's really inaccurate. Watch, it'll finally change to green now when you're almost out anyway. You look snaptastic.
Thank you.
Anyway, that looks like it's in the mechanical room. They actually don't have all that machinery sitting out in the open like they do at our place.
It's so nice.
Yeah,
Look how those
look how they
windows
put
come
the.
out. Yeah.
They didn't have that last time.
No, they didn't have those, did they? Oh, it's so nice.
I know.
This is the nicest one I know of, right?
Yeah, see, you have vending, you have a dog wash, vending machines, a mat wash. It's all covered. Someone vandalized that sign. It says, "Come in, we're dead."
Oh, no.
Yeah, it said open, but someone put dead on it.
I'll just spend a couple of minutes wiping this.
Get out here and show you sort of the setup we have going on. Like I said, those windows are new. Yeah, I think it did a pretty good job drying it off, if I do say so myself.